All right, it's the guys over at Expert Electronics. We're on the Chevy Trax. Get a picture of the license plate, please. Here, with this phone. Other way. Oh. We got this Chevy Trax. Took the intox lock out and soldered the starter wire back together. Car wouldn't start. So under the intake manifold on the engine block, all the way under here, the starter. Stick my hand under there. See if I can get some footage of this thing. There's a loose wire on the actual starter solenoid. I don't know if there's any way to get this camera inside of here.
What about from underneath the vehicle? I got my snake cam.
Alright, hopefully you guys can see that. Wiggling this wire around. This wire was loose before we got here.
You alright?
Alright, hopefully you can see it wiggling. Oh shit, what it's doing. Alright, I know it's kind of close, but I hope you guys can see that wire wiggling. We just want to get this on video to establish that we obviously had nothing to do with this new starter wire coming loose. Purple Chevy Trax, there's the license plate.